In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Kanban view in Salesforce. Whether you're managing leads, opportunities, or any other object, the Kanban view is a powerful feature that can help you visualize your workflow more effectively. It's especially useful for sales teams looking to manage their pipeline more efficiently. So let's dive right in and explore how you can switch to this view in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the tab of the object you're interested in. Let's say, for example, you're working with opportunities. Now, this could be any object you're managing, but opportunities are a great place to start if you're focusing on sales processes. Once you're on the correct tab, you'll notice a drop-down menu located in the top left corner of your screen. This is where you choose your list view. For our purposes, let's select a list view like All Open Opportunities. This step is crucial because the Kanban view will reflect only the items within the list view you have selected. Once you have your list view selected, direct your attention to the top right action bar. Here, you'll see a series of icons, each representing different actions and options. What you're looking for is the List View Display Options button. It might look like a small grid icon or a spreadsheet icon, depending on your current layout. This button is your gateway to transforming how you view your data. Clicking on this icon will present you with a menu of display options. From this menu, select Kanban, and just like that, your selected list view will transform into a Kanban board. This board organizes your records into columns, allowing you to track progress and manage tasks with greater clarity. Each column represents a stage in your process, making it easy to see where each record stands and what needs your attention. Using the Kanban view provides you with visual cues that can help you identify bottlenecks, prioritize tasks, and make informed decisions quickly. You can even drag and drop records between columns to update their statuses, providing a dynamic and interactive way to manage your workflow. And there you have it. Switching to the Kanban view in Salesforce is a straightforward process, but it can make a significant difference in how you manage and visualize your data. Remember, this view is not only about seeing your records differently, it's about enhancing your productivity and gaining insights at a glance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.